Dear friends, welcome to weekly view on markets. There is one more week of Nifty rallying to higher levels. This week Nifty continued its trend to gain 180 points and close that record high. There was all around buying in mid cap and small cap sectors. But on Friday, Nifty fell around 250 points due to profit booking. Despite fall on Friday, market is likely to touch higher levels in the coming week. The uptrend in the market is still intact, and this uptrend is supported by good earnings declared by different companies during this week. Let us look at the performance of indices for this week. Nifty went up by around 180 points and closed at 19,745, gained 0.92%. Bank Nifty closed at 46,075, gained about 1,255. It, Bank Nifty rose by 2.80% for the week. The Bank Nifty was very strong during this week. Mid Cap Index rose by 270 points, closed at 36,799, gained 0.74%. Small Cap Index closed at 11,529, rose by around 205 points. It is a gain of 1.82%. India VIX is at around 11.48. Most of the sectors gained during this week, except there was a big fall in IT sector index. Let us look at different sectors. PSU banks gained more than 3.96%. Media stocks gained about 3%. Private banks, pharma, NBFC stocks, energy stocks all gained between 2 to 3%. Infrastructure and oil and gas stocks gained about 1.6%. Information technology lost about 3.47%. Infosys result was less than the street expectation, and also the guidance was reduced considerably considering the weak demand in developed nations. So that is the reason for fall in IT sector companies. Realty sector lost about 0.69%. Most of the other sectors are trading flat. Now let us look at technical charts. This is the daily chart of Nifty. As we can see on Friday, Nifty closed lower due to profit booking, but for the whole week it has gained. Now Nifty has a strong support at around 19,750 level, followed by next support is at 19,400. But the chart structure remains strong. It is making higher tops and higher bottoms, and I feel that Nifty will touch higher levels in the coming week also. This is the chart of Nifty Mid Cap Index. Mid Cap Index has strong support at around 36,000 levels. Now it is trading at around 36,800 levels. This is the chart of Nifty Small Cap Index. The small cap index has given a sharp rally. It was the most undervalued sector. So we have seen a sharp rally because of this. Now it is nearing all-time high. The previous all-time high is around 12,000. Now small cap index is at 11,600 levels. So I feel that the small cap index will go higher and it will touch all-time highs in coming weeks. This is the Bank Nifty index. As we have seen last week, it has taken support at around 44,500, and it has gone up and given a good rally during this week. It has closed. Still, I feel that there is a lot of strength in Bank Nifty index, and it is set to go higher. We have seen the results of ICICI Bank and Kotak Mahindra Bank being declared on Saturday, and these results have been very, very good. They have beaten the street estimates. So, on the back of these strong results by many banks, Bank Nifty will be going higher. Most of the macroeconomic indicators look very stable. RBI dollar reserves has been going up from about 540 levels about 6 months back. Now it has crossed 600 billion US dollars and is at 609 billion US dollars. INR USD rate is at 82.03, and dollar index is also stable at around 101.08. Gold price is steady at around 60,000 levels. Crude price is slightly gone up in last 2 weeks. The sharp rise in crude price has prompted government to reintroduce windfall tax oil producing companies. So the higher crude price is likely to dent the margin of oil marketing companies, whereas when crude price is higher, the oil producing companies tend to have a higher gains. So to counterbalance this, government generally introduces windfall tax on oil producing companies. FIIs have bought around 3,114 crore this week, and DII have sold 778 crore during this week in equity. IT sector has fallen by more than 3% as Infosys has posted rapid result and also has given poor guidance for next 1 year. Reliance Industries and Hindustan Unilever, the two major large cap companies, have come out with their results. They are just about meeting street expectation. There is nothing much to be gung ho about these results. Uptrend is the market is still intact despite the fall of 235 points on Nifty on Friday. So intermittent correction is good for the market. On the inflation front, the food inflation still remains high, but I am optimistic that food inflation will come down due to the good monsoon, which is widespread across the nation by this time. So investors should use the dips to accumulate quality stocks and remain invested. The results coming from companies are quite good, especially from financial sector and from many of the NBFC companies, and also from some of the other consumer durables, infrastructure, and realty companies. So this is all giving a confidence to the market that companies' earnings are picking up and inflation is coming down and other macroeconomic factors are stable, and also the GDP growth for the current fiscal is around 6.4 estimate. So this all is driving the markets up, and we will see market going to higher levels. Investors should use the dips to accumulate good quality stocks. Mutual fund investors should not worry about intermittent corrections they should continue their SIPs. And if somebody has invested in lump sum, they should hold. We will see good levels in the market and good returns coming for the mutual fund investors in next 2 to 3 years. SIP investors should concentrate on their goals and continue their SIPs, and they will be rewarded in the coming years. So this is all for this week. We'll meet again next week. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, like the video. You can share with your friends, and you can ask your questions. We'll meet again next week. Thank you.